Specialty Mustang here to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Boy, and we don't see many of these come through here. 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 12,000 is all in this car. Looking good in torch red, dark charcoal interior. Of course, that 4.6 liter dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the condition of this front fascia. Of course, that shaker hood. Black hood stripe. What a great look. 305 horse, 320 pound-feet of torque. And remember, that's 21 years ago. This car would get up and move in the day. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pics. 507-386-1726 is the number to call with any questions. Magnum 500 style wheels. Of course, harkening back to the early Mach 1. What, from late 60s into the early 70s. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, scratches. There's a couple little touch-up spots I noticed on the hood. I don't know if you can even get them to show up. It's kind of one about right there, if you can see it. Another real small one right in that area. But paint shows well. Interior is great shape. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out that interior. I wanted to show you the side glass rolled up. So it does have tinted side glass. So know your local and state laws, depending on the percentage of window tint that you can have. Coming around to the rear. Louvers, for again, that late 60s, early 70s look. Harkening back to the original Mach 1s. Does have dual exhaust, catback, boreless, so this one's got a little bit of bark to it. Sounds good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. In the trunk pics, you're going to notice there's a box with some springs in it. This does have aftermarket springs. Originals will go with it, and also a car cover. So you'll be able to check those out in the still pictures. And you can see it. So it's got a nice stance to it. This car will handle extremely well. If you like these specialty Mustangs, maybe you're into Camaros, Corvettes, Challengers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. A lot of specialty cars, sports cars, sometimes there's some supercars, classic street rods, a little bit of everything, a lot of trucks. And again, you can see driver's side, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. What you'd expect with this kind of miles on it and the clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, well taken care of. All right. Door panels, of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Take a look at this if you're familiar with the original Mach 1s. Kind of has that knitted vinyl seat look. Although this would be leather on the sides and the bolster and everything on the modern ones. Of course, that stripe across the back of the seat. So some similarities of the throwback to the original Machs. All right. Let's keep looking. Mach 1 floor mats. A little different gauge cluster on the Machs. This does have the 6 CD changer built into the AM/FM stereo system. Oh, listen to that. Told you this one had a little park. I like this car. So 12,263 miles, gauge is working, no check engine lights, anything like that. That's just the seat belt light, since I don't have my seat belt on top of the dash. Looking good. Mach 1 placard on the dash. There you can see stereo system. And they actually named their stereo Mach audio system. Kind of in this era, this era Mustang. The headliner looks good. So interior is nice as the exterior. And here we go. Again, that dual overhead cam, 4.6 liter. These were only like a half a second slower in the quarter than the 03 Cobras, if I remember correctly, which had very similar engines, except one supercharged, one not. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop the hood, check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road, if you will. Get a look at the underside of the hood so you can see how they fit all this underneath there. It's a nice condition. Tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Nice clean hood liner, and there it is. Look at that. And functioning. Shaker hood scoop. Nice, clean, tidy. If only I had a little more room in my garage. ...2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1, just a little over 12,000 miles, clean Carfax, good looking car. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 2003 Ford Mustang. And this one has an awesome hood on it. That's actually a shaker hood. And you can see that engine twitch when you give her some throttle. This is a 5-speed manual. Good running Mustang. Very nice exhaust sound in this car. We've got the louvers on the back window. It's an ode to the Mach 1s of the 70s, I would say. All our gauges are working good. All looking good. Oil pressure is good. Battery good. Factory stereo.
At 94.1 FM.
Working well. Comfortable bucket seats in this Mustang. I do love that hood. Just seeing that the whole time you're driving. It's a nice feature. And you let the gear slow the car down. It has a nice rumble as well. We're in a third doing this roundabout, and it's happy in that gear. Let's give her some throttle here. Nice shift, nice clutch. Very fun to drive Mustang. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.